Super? I don't know how well you can see that. Super. Me, bro, I don't like it. Alright. Nah, cause someone guessed my intro the other day, so I gotta change it. Like, what's up, YouTube? Thank you back for coming. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are going on a hike in the hills. In the hills, there's caves, there's rocks, there's trees, there's a lot of stuff. Going to the hike. It's very early in the morning. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Yeah, stay tuned. We're going on this nice little hike, and then it's basically come spend a day with us. Come spend a morning with us. My cousin. Shout out my cousin. My manager. Matcha. Be performative. Fuck that shit. I don't know why it bothered me. Someone called me performative, and I was like, I'm performative. I didn't even know what it meant. I said thank you.
You said thank you?
I said thank you because I thought it was a compliment. And then just to keep the conversation going, I was like, oh, okay, cool. Like, thank you. I didn't know it was like an insult.
Who told you that?
But yeah, come spend the day with us. Let's get this hike going. It's houses and shit. I just don't want to come into a snake. Even though if we see a snake and I get bit, it's a W clip. I just don't want to. Whoa! Oh. No, I'm not trying to get bit by no snake. Damn, bro. Actually crazy. People used to do this back in the day. Used to walk. That's crazy.
That's the cave you gotta climb.
Where?
No, but
I just use my phone for flash. Where are we going? Oh, this way, no?
right. Motherfucker. This guy.
Those snakes, those are bad. Oh.
No, those are birds. See the rope?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Oh, look, there's another one over there.
Oh shit.
That one's so steep.
Make sure it's recording.
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh fuck.
You can go that one.
Is it that one?
I don't know.
Isn't that one right there too on the right? Or no?
Holy shit. I think you just go right now.
Is that one on the right or no?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
For now we're doing this baby one.
Bro, it's like some movie shit. I feel like someone's just gonna cut the rope.
Huh.
Oh, can I phone? Phone you back? Yeah.
There you go. Put your head.
Have it. Look, you might not even need the rope.
Yeah, I know. It's just here to help you.
I mean, maybe up here, yeah, but. Holy shit. See, that looks nice. Move back. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. See, look, I have just one hand. Now I feel like I'm climbing mountains. Can't even put this camera down, bro. I feel like I'm eating shit. I made it. I made it. It's not even that high. What the fuck? Look at that shit.
And shit, you know? So I went in there, and it's just a freaking candle, right? And I take a picture because I'm like random with candle. Yeah. And when I take the picture, the flash comes on, and there's a freaking big ass, fat ass bird right there. I was like, ah! Just next to the candle, bro. What the fuck? I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Bro, you wanna go now?
Yeah, we have to.
Oh, no, I'm gonna go, bro. Oh no. That's scary. But is there like an exit? Like another way through there? Or no? No, it's just the end of it. Oh. And it's a small little cave, it's not.
Oh, okay.
You should go though.
Oh no.
I'll go behind you, Brian.
I'm gonna find something else than a bird. Wait. What is that though?
It's a bird.
Oh.
I don't know, she might have her nest in there.
Well, I'll just go to the candle and just won't put a flash. You think you can climb that with the clips? That looks hard, bro. I'll hold you from down here, that's about it. I'll not go to the top. Alright. Bye, have a nice day. Alright, let's go see this. Holy shit. What? It just looks like nice. I mean, low key, let me get a flashlight or something. Bro, I don't even know if it picks up on camera like that. Like, for a guy that can't see, I should have brought my glasses. Why? Oh. Somebody shit. Bro, I didn't. She okay?
There you go, bro. You need to start cleaning your lens.
I love you can't see shit. Did you go up there?
No. It's just like a little view.
Huh? Shh, be quiet. Late as fuck, can you see that? You see the camera? Or no?
Yeah, I see it.
Let me say it. Let me tripping to turn off.
Fuck is the bird?
Did we go in? Oh, freaking.
I don't see the bird.
The flash.
You put the flash.
Give me the phone.
Here it is.
Bro, I can't see shit.
Bro.
Bro, what a bitch. Wait, she went in, no?
She went in.
She fucking joking. Why are you so quiet?
Here, you can get 2 phones.
There's clothing and everything. Is yours brighter?
I don't think so.
Bro, I wish I had my glasses. I can't see.
Go.
It's so much scary. I can't see shit. Wait, let me see the camera.
Why?
What do you mean why? They want to see.
Nah, you can see perfectly.
No, you can't. Let me see.
Like, shine it up. Yeah, you can see.
Here. Oh, see, look, I can actually see like this. See, like that, you can actually see. You don't see anything out there. Like that's the fucking thing right there. That's actually crazy. There's two fellas. There's a broken one and there's one that's lit up. What the hell? Just chilling.
Is it a bird? Brian.
What?
Is it a bird?
No shit.
No?
Let me come down. I guess it's there. But I was trying to read what it said because I was like,
What does it say?
that's what I was trying to see. I'm gonna see if I can edit. Look, it's not that scary. Just the fact that
Is it?
up there, like you look up, it looks like an empty hole.
Oh, there's two more birds right here.
Where?
And there.
Oh shit. No, but that one's not even making noise. Like it just looks like the bird just looks like it's like what's it? Still. Like it looks like it's fake.
Something out there.
Through that. It just creeped me out because you look up, there's like a hole. Like even if I put my flashlight, it's just empty. And then there's another broken one next to it. Another broken vela. There's one vela that's lit up and there's a broken one next to it.
But like that would never go there.
The brujeria, bro. What'd she say? Look like brujeria?
Yeah.
Look at brujeria and there's just a bird. Because the bird has like a red eye. I mean, that eyes. It look like a red eye.
This is a flash, bro.
Nah. I was just tripping because I was like, why is it not moving? It's like, it's a pigeon. It's just like this.
I think I saw it from here.
You saw it, no?
Yeah.
Oh, you watch it back in the day. What the fuck? Nah, you gotta come back at night. At night. We gotta bring the whole TV.
Fuck that.
You think they'll be down to come at night? Just don't. You give it attention, it starts crying. You don't give it attention, it starts crying. What the fuck?
I think.
Alright, bro, enough with the pigeon. We give it attention, it doesn't cry. We don't give it attention, it cries. It's okay. Let's go check out this view. Damn, bro. Cuckoo. Is that how you call him?
That's all I heard last night.
Yeah, you didn't go in? Oh, hell no. Give me the fuck.
What if it's possessed, bro?
Give me the fuck up, bro. Holy shit, call the fuck down. Holy. Alright, bro, now shut the fuck. It's a whole new world. You know that? Holy shit. Ah. Bro, you can still hear him crying. Holy. It's 9 o'clock, no one's here.
Let's go.
Alright. Ow, fuck, hurt my arm. Ow. Shit hurt. I'm up. Oh, yeah.
Blessed. He broke, I'm up.
Oh, he broke him up.
Hell yeah.
She really. Yeah, we're basically out of here. Well, hopefully I don't take no brujeria with me. I hope you don't. Oh, hell no. Because she literally said it's like some brujeria shit. She told us the whole story. I only got half of it.
No. Alright, chat. See you down there.
See ya, matcha. Boo. We made it. You got over to her.
I gotta show you how to set it up. Alright?
Alright. We just finished filming 2 videos. And that's pretty much a wrap for that. So watch those. One's probably gonna be a reacts to 3D videos, 2 of them probably. And then the other one was like, oh yeah, stay tuned for those. If the vlog ends here, then it's been your boy Chat. Thank you for watching. Like, comment. And what should they do?
Watch the video.
Bruh. Okay, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Thank you for your feedback. I appreciate it a lot. Follow me on socials and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.